then you're going to also be making use of potato. Now potato is a great remedy that is loaded with vitamin C and is loaded with a whitening agent that helps to lighten up the dark patches on your skin and on your face. So it will therefore help to remove all dark spots, pigments and dark patches. Alright guys, so for the potato, I'm gonna be peeling up the potato so we can actually get the benefits of the potato. Okay, and now I'm going to be creating the potato. Okay, so we can actually get the juice out of it. Now you need much of this potato juice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be straining this out so I can get the potato juice. So here's the juice. For dark spots, you're going to definitely be needing a lemon. Now lemon contains citric acids and vitamin C that helps to lighten up the skin, and it therefore helps to remove dark spots and it glow the skin. So it's going to gently scrub out the dark spots and then your skin is going to be flawless. And now I'm going to be cutting in the lemon. So I'm going to be squeezing in a little bit of lemon into this. That will be enough. And the last one is that we're going to make use of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. Now baking soda is a great remedy for the skin and it makes the skin very smooth and glowing. So it's going to help us in scrubbing out all of the dark patches and dark spots, and your skin is going to be exfoliated and smooth. Then I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then we're going to be making use of rice. So you're going to be making use of the rice water in this, okay, because it is loaded with a whitening agent too that helps whiten up the skin. So it's going to be perfect in removing dark spots, pigments and dark patches. And then a little quantity of rice. Now we're just going to be stirring this all up, and it's going to be pretty foamy, just like that. You can hardly even see it. So I'm going to be turning it into a transparent bowl so you can see the substance in it. Alright, so this is what you're going to be needing for your dark spots. Although the foaminess is going to go down, and you're going to be using just the liquid and the baking soda to scrub out all the dark spots on your face, and your face is going to glow again and evenly tone. Hi guys, so here is the treatment and this is how it is. It has actually settled below. You can see that. Okay, it settles below, and that's the baking soda down there. So what you're going to do is that you're going to grab the baking soda like that, and then you're going to apply it onto your face. Okay, anywhere you have dark spots, you're going to just apply a baking soda. Apply it on those places where you have the dark spots. Alright, so when you're done applying it like this, then you can scrub it. Okay, you have to use this and scrub those places where you have the dark spots. Scrub it. Well, it doesn't remove pet mark or tribal mark, just like I have here. I have a tribal mark there, so you won't get rid of it. So you apply it and scrub it. Okay. So when you're done scrubbing, then you can hold it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, okay, or less. And then after that, then you can go wash it off, okay? Repeat this every day for a few days, and all of your dark spots will be gone. And yeah, if you do love the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.